Hey guys, welcome to Rasoi Joy with Queenie Car. So today we're making gluten-free cake, tasty vanilla cake sponge. So all I've done so far is put 80 grams of sugar, caster sugar, in my bowl. Measure it out folks. And then I've got 120 grams of margarine, or you can use butter. So there it is. Now it's time to beat it. No, you got to. It's sort of like a creaming technique you've got to use. Let me just get it started a bit, and then I shall try and show you what I'm doing. So it's sort of like that. Got to cream it in, sort of. Okay. There we are. That's the end result of the creaming together. It should be nice and fluffy. Now time to measure out the flour, self-raising flour. You can use gluten, you can use Aldi's self-raising flour, anything. What I've done is I've measured out 200 grams of flour. It can be self-raising, it can be any type of gluten-free flour, to be honest. It's up to you. It might not end up the same, but hey, as long as you get a tasty cake at the end of it, who cares? Make sure it's mixed in really well. I've not mixed it really well at the moment. Next I'm gonna throw in some vanilla essence. Can you see? This is Aldi's own, because a lot of them contain alcohol, and I do not use stuff with alcohol in it. Well, not food wise. Okay, so I've just put in about a teaspoon of xanthan gum, helps keep the mixture together. Some baking powder, which is gluten free. It does say somewhere there, so it's not very clear, but hey, they're suitable for vegans and gluten free. And like I said, about a table or 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, and there it is. There's my vanilla essence there. There's my xanthan gum, and there is my sticky fingers, and there is my baking powder. And then what else I also put in is this magical ingredient, some golden syrup, and I just squeeze a bit of this in. I've got, you know, like squeeze. Yeah, a few squeezes of that if you want. Tablespoons, and probably about 2 tablespoons. So mix, folks. So I'm just gonna throw in some semi-skim milk. If you're dairy free or living the vegan life, then you are welcome to use dairy alternatives. So I'm just gonna throw in loads of milk, because you want the texture to be quite, well, liquidy and wet well. So I think that should be, it's not going to be enough yet. And you mix. And obviously you're wondering, why have you got like a breadcrumby texture going on? Well, that's just how it became. So it doesn't matter, that's fine. What we need it to do is become more wet, like a cake. We don't want it to be solid. Now I'm just going to put this down so I can actually mix it properly. So guys, your mixture should be looking like this. Add a bit more milk if you wish. I spooned half of it in a tray. I oiled it, and my oven is on, and I'm about to stick it in there. Lovely jelly. There it goes. Cook. And folks, this is one I made earlier, which is like half eaten now. That is using half the ingredients that I've told you in this video, and also by adding chocolate chips in it, because I love chocolate chips, so hey, why not? And it's so nice and soft and moist, and it tastes great. Folks, the end result. You can either eat it like that, or put some lovely jam on it, some cream, buttercream in the middle, and it will be voila. Yeah folks, I know those cakes didn't look perfect, but why do we always need something to look perfect? Plus you can easily just cut off the bits you don't like. It's quite simple really, it's really not that hard. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and enjoy the new series of Rasoi Joy. Whenever I get time, I'll try and make something, and you guys can try it out and let me know how it goes. You can easily halve those ingredients that I've put in this video to make something smaller, but I don't think you really need anything any more smaller than that. But yeah, enjoy guys. Bye bye.